said it was recording, right, Sophie? Yeah, I'm sure it was. Yeah, I think it's recording. Okay, let's sit down. Ah! I'm okay. I won't focus. Okay, so, hey guys, I'm Peyton and I'm Sophie, and today we're making slime at 3 a.m. We kind of need to be quiet, but first, we're gonna pour the glue. Is this enough? I think so. Now your turn. Okay. That's good enough. Okay. So now we're gonna have our spoons. Why did they go all the way over there? I don't know. They keep throwing stuff at us. We got our spoons and now we're gonna mix it. This is real glue, guys. I think I got less glue than you. I think so. Work it out in the contact solution. Why is it spraying everywhere? I don't know. I hope it doesn't do it to me. Ah! That's creepy. Mixy, mix, mix. Now we need to add the baking soda. Ah! Ah! Who's doing that? I don't know. Let's just mix our slime. It's not coming together yet. Mine kind of is. Not really though. Contact solution. Keep adding more. Creepy, mine isn't coming together. I'm adding more baking soda. Mine's done. Now we just need to do paint. There we go. Pretty cool. Ah! Our slime. Mine says I'm watch. What? Mine has a frowny face. Let's mix in the coloring. Here, let's do mine. Weird, mine won't mix in. Oh, what's that coming from? I think it's a baking soda. It got on the carpet. No, it didn't. Look at it. Ew, yours is so good. What is it doing? I'm not doing it. Who did that? Not me. I better mix it in. I did not do that. It just fell. You guys up so early. What is this? It's slime, Mommy. We're making slime at 3 a.m. Did anything creepy happen? I like this color. Did you add it? No. Did it? What? You did it. How did this happen? It was 3 a.m. It was 3 a.m. Yes. 3 a.m. is so creepy. Pretty good slime. Oh, goodness. You got the baking soda everywhere. No, Mommy, we didn't do that. 3 a.m. did.